Okay, now that it's dry, let's see if it works anyway. Just a minute. So it's okay, the sound is alright. Now what I'm trying to do is fix it so I can attach to the cuckoo. Let's get it in there. Okay. The screw. Just for a moment, see everything's attached now. This one come off. And see if it's straight there. Alright, let me make a little test. So I need to take off the bellow again to see where the problem is. There's a little small problem that you can hear. It's so I have to take off the bellow. Okay. Alright, we're back again on this nice little cuckoo clock. One of the bellows was damaged or ripped. Actually, I replaced, I fixed it, I put a new skin, and now we're just checking it out to see if it's everything alright, and try to hear the bellows, if they're in rhythm with each other. It's 2. So that's a half time. It's just there's a little problem with the hands. That's 3 o'clock. It's alright so far. That's the half time. Okay, one more time. It's got a little bit. Okay, now we know that the bellows are working. So now when the cuckoo clock was bought, there was no back cover. So this is what I'm going to do today, and hopefully you learn something out of me anyway. Yeah, I'll take the measurements and we'll take it from there.